So we have spent some time figuring out how do we find the sides, but what if we need to find the angles? How do you undo a sine? Well, in order to undo a sine, you would sine inverse. So sine inverse of x is what's going to get you to your theta. How do you undo a cosine? Well, cosine inverse of x is going to give you theta. And last but not least, how do we undo a tangent? Well, tangent inverse of x is going to give you theta. Now, on a TI-84, this is usually going to be like second tangent, second cosine, second sine. That's going to get you into the inverse. So if you look on there, it probably is like in little blue writing. Okay, so let's see this one. Number 7, find the missing angle. Round to the nearest tenth. Okay, so I want theta, and I know 8 over, I know the opposite and the adjacent. So opposite, adjacent, that's tangent, right? So I want tangent of 8 over 14 equals theta. So I just come over to my calculator. Tangent, okay, so how am I going to get in there? I think maybe I need to do function. Oh, so tangent inverse. Oh, I didn't write that over here. I forgot. So tangent inverse of 8/14. So tangent inverse of 8 divided by 14. Oh, goodness. I did not type this in. So, like, okay. 8 divided by 14? 29.7. Am I right? 29.7. Okay, now, kind of depending on your calculator, it might give you slightly, like the rounding might be slightly different, but 29.7 degrees. Okay, what about this one? This one is adjacent and hypotenuse. So cosine inverse of adjacent 38 over 40. So do you see, like, if you know how to use the calculator, oh, so nice. Okay, so cosine inverse of 38, oh, that's the wrong button, 38 to, right? So this is like more of a calculator issue than anything else. Seriously, TI-80 whatever is going to be your best bet because it's a pain in the butt to use these. 18.2. All right, let's see what we've got. There's 2 more. So why don't you push pause for me and you try them on your own and then come back and see what you get. All right, there it is, 50.6, 76.8. And that is how you find an angle if you have 2 sides.